Today we're making something crazy. The brother's test.
Oh my god.
Ooh, vai. Welcome with Pasta Queen, Pasta Bro. Today we wanna outdo ourselves. So we've decided to make pumpkin candy pasta. What? Let's do it. Ingredients. The first thing you wanna start with is pasta sheets. Ago here made them for us today. You can make them, link in the description for how you make pasta sheets, but I have them ready because we're gonna get straight into how to make candies out of pasta. So let's start with the ingredients. Today we have pumpkin, parmigiano, sausage, gorgonzola, dolce. No, we don't use blue cheese in this kitchen, it's gorgonzola.
Which one is the difference between gorgonzola dolce and piccante?
So we have sweet gorgonzola and spicy gorgonzola. The only difference is in the aging of the cheese. Usually the sweet gorgonzola is about 50 days of aging, while the stronger, more intense spicy, it gives you that kind of kick. It's about 80 days of aging. Depending upon how you feel that day, the intensity is up to you. I like it for this recipe as sweet gorgonzola. Food processor, look, it just appeared. Let's start with the filling. The filling is simply pumpkin, parmigiano, and sausage. We pre-cooked the sausage, so we're ready to toss everything in and mix it into a paste. Our filling is ready. Wow, Ago, the smell is so divine.
It is really good.
Just like you are. We're gonna get a board right here. I'm gonna show you how to make the candies with pumpkin and pasta. They're so cute, so delicious. So this is the craziest thing. So you have pasta sheets, they already come in about 4 to 5 inches wide sheets, which is perfect. You take a teaspoon, just get a a nice size, 1 teaspoon worth, put it right at the edge, right here in the center. Just as you're doing ravioli, okay? Put it right there and then you fold it over once and twice. Now get a little brush. You want to put a little bit of water right underneath here so that it sticks. Cut it, and you have this. Then you take your finger and you push down right here so that you create a little pocket, no air. Then you pinch the sides, and you've got a little candy. Look at this. Little candy. So we're doing about 4 to 5 candies per person. They're really beautiful. You know, once they cook, they get a little bit bigger. I'm gonna show you the sauce that goes on top of this. So simple, but it's just the perfect pairing. Always wash your hands in the kitchen before, during, after. It's important. Desi, let's do the candy. And you put it right in the center, right on the edge, like that. Hold it once, and then again. There you go, good. Now we cut the edge. Yeah, now you make it go in the center. So take from the edge, there you go. Then you take, there you go, and then you pinch. There you go!
Perfect!
You made
Well
it!
done!
Good job!
That looks amazing.
Ago, the pasta water is boiling. Add a nice generous amount of salt. So now, we start by simmering gently our heavy cream. The cream is just warming up. We add the sweet gorgonzola to it and we let it melt all together. Get a wooden spoon and just gently massage the cream. If it needs a little salt, add it. In this case, it didn't need it. So we're not adding any extra salt. We've got the pasta water that's gonna salt the pasta itself, and that's about all you need. Got some walnuts? Just gently tap on them. You wanna smash them a little bit. We're gonna use that as a little garnish on top. We're gently putting them on a little strainer, a spider strainer. Now we lower them into the water, and literally 1 to 2 minutes, you'll see them popping up. The pasta sheet is thin, so you don't want to overcook this. 1 to 2 minutes, and then we set them aside on a plate. Get a nice big large plate. You create a cradle for your candies by pouring in with a big spoon a generous amount of sauce. Now they fall into place. Look at how cute they are. Take a little bit more cream and sprinkle it on top. Now the final touch. Scrunched walnuts for garnish. Look at this. It's just gorgeous. It's ready.
Oh my goodness.
Brother Tess, this pasta has to be eaten with a nice spoon, because once you grab the candy, you're also grabbing a little bit of the cream at the bottom. The Brother Test.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
I'll do this.
vai. Look at this. Serve it like this and impress someone you love. Create a beautiful holiday dish, or not. Every day is a holiday for us. Let's do it. It's been so great. Make sure you subscribe. Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling the notification bell so that you know when a recipe pops in and you never miss it. And remember, stay gorgeous. Bye! Pumpkin.
Candy pasta.
Yes. Like a little cute candy.
Exactly.
Made out of pumpkin.
That's gonna be